Okay, today we're going to look at content management systems, and one in particular, WordPress. So let's define a content management system. And you can see here from the Wikipedia, a content management system is a computer program that allows publishing, editing, and modifying content, as well as maintenance from a central interface. Well, why is that important? Well, you probably have noticed that content isn't going away. There's lots of it out on the internet. We're bombarded with information all over the place. You might be blogging or creating content yourself, and you've got to kind of manage that and keep track of all that stuff. So one system that I use and recommend is WordPress. Now, WordPress comes in two flavors. So if we look at WordPress.com, that's a hosted version of WordPress, which limits a certain amount of your control, but makes it really easy to get started and start putting your information and publishing onto the internet. Second flavor is WordPress.org. Now that's self-hosted. You have to have your own hosting service, and a lot of hosting services give you a one-click install for WordPress. It gives you more complete control of your code. You can use commercial plugins. You can use multiple different types of themes. It has a lot of power to it. Now, some people don't want that, but it gives that to you. So if you're just starting out, you might consider WordPress.com. If you want more control, WordPress.org. Well, what does that mean to me? Well, if we look at this quick little chart, you can look at in WordPress.org, you get full control. So when you set up your WordPress site, it's on your own server. You have the freedom to do what you want with it. So you have 100% control of your design, your themes, your plugins, your content, monetization, performance, all that stuff. Now, it does cost money because hosting services aren't free. So if you look at WordPress.com, you have more limited control. So no matter how much you pay, you always will be limited to, you're going to have no custom plugins, no custom themes, and no FTP access. And you have to pay a little bit extra I believe it's $30 if you want no advertising on the site, because obviously they're in business and they've got to make money. They can't give this stuff away for free, even though the benefit of free, it is free for you, but they use advertising on your site to offset the costs. So hopefully that helps in helping you understand that there are two flavors. WordPress works wonderfully. If you have an opportunity, you should go check them out. There's usually locally around where you live. There'll be some sort of WordCamp or some sort of a WordPress meetup group, and explore it. But we use WordPress.org for the control and the freedom for client work and various types of things. And then you also have the option of WordPress.com, which will help you organize and manage your information and allow you to easily put your information out on the internet without the headaches of managing your own code.